Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So on the silver chart, we're still looking for further evidence that a lasting low has been established in our yellow support area there. That was early October, around the 5th of October, 6th of October. Yeah, so obviously good performance. The price broke above trend lines. I actually need to draw the trend line differently. The price broke here above this trend line. There was also a bit of a price channel going on. So that was a signal that things could have bottomed. Also, we have had a reaction where we needed it in support, in the support box for silver. We have been tracking bullish scenarios all year long, right? Also end of last year. And that worked out nicely in a 5-wave move to the upside, potential 3-wave pullback. And it's not, we're not out of the woods yet. This could still turn into one more low. For example, A wave, B wave here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an ending diagonal. That's possible. B would need to sit here, by the way. So, yeah. So, and then in the orange count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible. Could still give us another low, but we broke out of this price channel. You can add another trend line here, and then we could be in the breakout. Now, I don't think there is need to FOMO necessarily. Obviously, this here would assume we are in a third wave rally, okay? But don't forget that this third wave, which could actually eventually take us above $30, that this third wave would consist of 5 waves as well. So what we're watching here is potentially the completion of the first wave of the third wave. So it would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you didn't, for example, enter down here in our support area, you could still, and I'm not suggesting what you should do, but I'm telling you, you need to do what's right for your portfolio. But I'm telling you there should be another pullback here in a wave 2 of 3, maybe in the next few weeks. And only then we really get into the main element of the third wave rally. And that is what most people, I think, want to be part of. There should be one more pullback. The advantage of potentially waiting for that pullback to occur before doing something, and I want to change it to the white wave count. So before doing something is that at the moment, we only have a 3-wave rally to the upside. After 3 waves, such a structure can still break easily. But if we get 5 waves, then we should get a pullback anyway. So you get a favorable reward to risk setup, a so-called 1-2 setup to trade a third wave rally with clear reward and risk parameters. And we have the increased probability that it should hold support. Yeah. At the moment, this could still be a 3-wave move in an A, B, C structure. But we have nearly reached our target here, sort of between $23.80 and $24.50. That is the target for the third wave. Let's just move that over a bit. Yeah, this is what we would like to reach. Gold has reached it already. Silver could still get there, should still get there. Then we should get a wave 4 pullback afterwards and a wave 5 to the upside. And after these 5 waves, I can indicate the next support area. We broke above micro resistance. I'll take that off the chart now. This was additional confirmation that a low is already in, but it really only adds a little bit to the probabilities. What I would like to see is that we do not break anymore below the 50% retracement level of the third wave here. And that is at $22.70. So this level ideally holds, for trend continuation. Doesn't mean we invalidate it if we break below it, but it would be a first indication that things are starting to break down. But at the moment, silver seems to have more and more difficulties now, but can still get there. And then we have 3 waves. So I think currently the third is not completed yet. Then we get a 4th and a 5th. So while all of what we have seen so far adds some weight to the thesis that the low is already in, due to, this long and stretched out correction that we've seen since April, And due to the fact that one more low is certainly possible, also from a wave count point of view, I would like to see further confirmation before confirming that a lasting low has been established. And I think in the next few weeks we should get some clarity, but it should still take a few more weeks before we get this 1-2 setup actually complete. Yeah, that's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you are interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, in updates about several stocks and shares, and video updates and much more, then check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You can find the link in the description. We only launched it a few weeks ago. So check it out if you're interested. Thanks a lot for watching. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye-bye.